Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 14. Exercise 12B, page number 337. Okay, now a cone. Question number 14 is a cone has a circular base of the radius 8 and the slant height of 20 centimeter. Find the volume of the cone. Okay, first we will draw the cone so you will get the idea. Okay, this is the cone. So according to this, its base is circular. So its radius is mean from the center to the boundary, its r is equal to 8. This length is 8. This one is 8. And slant height, this height is L 20. Find the volume of the cone. You have to find the volume of the cone. Okay, for volume of the cone, we have to find the height of the cone. For finding the height of the cone, we will take this triangle. Okay, I will mark this triangle here. This is the triangle that we will take for finding the height of the cone. So this is height of the cone. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem, base, this base and this height square. Okay, this base and height square. So base is base square. We will write here base square plus perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square. Okay, so this one is hypotenuse, this one is perpendicular, and this one is base. Okay, so according to this, base is 8 and perpendicular is we have to find perpendicular, that is denoted by height of the cone. So it is square and hypotenuse is 20 square. Okay, then how to find the height? We will shift this 8 square to other side. It is 8 square. Now the next step is we will take the square root for finding the height. So this one is 400 minus 64. Okay, now it is after taking the square root, the answer is 18, not with the square root. It is 18.33. Okay, this is the height. Height is in the centimeter because all measurements are given in centimeters. Okay, now we have to find the volume. So for the volume, we will use this formula pi r square and h. H was missing, so we found h by using Pythagoras theorem. So 1 over 3, pi is 3.14 and r is 8 square and height is 18.33. Okay, then after calculation, we will get 1230 centimeter. Got it? Use your calculator and find the value of volume. Is it correct? Yes. First, take 8 square, multiply with 18.33, then multiply with 3.14 and divide it by 3. Yes, Zara. Are you solving?
1227.8656.
27 point something.
1227.
27. So let me calculate. Wait. 18.33 multiply by 64 multiply by 3.14 and divided by 3. Okay, it is 47. So it is 47 centimeter, cubic centimeter. Okay. Okay, now the next question is, a circular cone has the height. Okay, a circular cone has the height is, so the cone height is, let me make the cone. Okay, its height is given, that is 17. Okay, and slant height is given, that is 21 millimeter. Find the volume and the total surface area of the cone. Okay, now here radius is not given. Okay, we have to find for the volume, we have to find the radius also, because volume formula is 1 over 3 pi r square and h, right? So for the volume, we need r square value. Okay, for finding r, we will apply again a Pythagoras theorem by using theorem. Now again triangle base square, that is r square, and h square is equal to slant height square. So r is, we don't know what is r. We have to find r. H is 17 square and L is 21 square. Now shift this 21 square and 17 square to other side. Then R value is
152.
152. Yes, okay, 152. Okay, now the V is 1 over 3 pi r square h. Put these all values here. 1 over 3 pi is 3.14. R we found it is 152 and h is given 17. So by using calculator, what is the answer? 3.14 multiply 152 multiply 17. Okay. Then divided by 3. So what is the answer?
2704.586
2700
and 4.
and 4. Okay. So the answer is 2704 millimeter square, right? Because it is in the millimeters, cubic millimeter, not millimeter square, cubic millimeter. Okay, its second part is we have to find, this is the first part. We were solving first part. Yes, Muhammad Saban. Is it clear?
जी.
Okay, then its second part is what we have to do. We have to solve total surface area. So total surface area formula is, what is total surface area formula? Pi r L
L
plus
pi r square.
pi r square. This is base area and this is the cone outer area, like that means this area, outer side area. Okay, curved surface area. This is curved area of the cone, and this one is base area. So this is the total area of the cone. Okay. So curved surface area is pi r is 152 and slant height is 21. Then pi r is uh, 152 square. Okay. So we are taking the square of 152. Is it 152? Is it correct? After taking Zara, I think you didn't take the square root of r. Take square root of r.
12.328.
Let me check by myself. It is 21 and minus 17 square, 152, and then 152 square is 12.1. So radius is r is 12 point something. 12 point, because you here and take square 12.32. Got it?
Yes.
Similarly, this r square, so it's mean it is 52. That is correct, because r square value is 152. R square value is 152, but r value is 12.32. Okay. Okay, now this one is r value. We are putting here r value, that is 12.3, and here we are substituting the value is 12.32 square. Okay, these are the r values. So after calculation, it is pi 12.32 multiplied by 21. So it is 258. I am taking the pi outside. 258.72 minus then 12.32 square. It is 151.78. Subtract this, 258.72 minus 151.78. Then it is 106. 106.94. Okay, now put the value of pi here. 106.92. Multiply 3.14. What is the answer?
335.7288.
It is 21 point something, and then 12 point square, and then answer is, what is the answer?
I got 335.7288.
Hmm. You're getting the same,
Yes.
but answer is 1290. Let me check it again. Pi value is, R value is 12.32, L value is 21, pi value is this. Then according to this is plus, we have to plus. I wrote it's minus. That is our mistake. So we have to write 58.72 plus 151.78. So that is 410. Now this one is 410. 410.5. Now multiply.
Subtract it or add it?
We have to add it. By mistake, I wrote its negative sign. So now multiply with 410.5. Now multiply with 410.5 multiply with 3.14. Yes, now we are getting the correct answer. 1288.97. Okay, it is in total surface mm square. Yes, Muhammad Subhan, is it clear?
Yes.
If you have any problem, you can ask. Okay, so I will repeat the question whole procedure. Yes, Zara, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, now question number 17. A solid is made up of two identical cones, each with a base diameter of 14 centimeter and the slant height is 15. So this is the slant height is given, that is 15, and then its diameter is, this is the diameter. Okay, so this diameter is given. We need a radius. So according to diameter, the radius of the cone is half, that is 7. The first is total surface area. Then the second is we have to find the volume. So according to this, height, its slant height is given, and 1, this is also 7. So we will take this triangle and find the height, okay, by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, first part is by Pythagoras theorem. This one is the base square, that is 7 square, and height square 8 square is equal to 15 square. Then 8 square is equal to 15 square minus 7 square. So what is the answer for this? 15, that is 225, minus 196, that is 20. No, 49. 225 minus 49. Yes, what is 176? Now take the square root of this 176. What is the answer for square root? H. Yes, Zara.
12.266.
12.13.
13,
12 point, what is the exact?
13.266.
13.266. Okay. Okay, now we found H. So now we can find the total surface area. Okay, now it's not here. We will take the base area because this is a solid cone. So according to solid cone, we will take total surface area is equal to 2 pi r L. 2 pi r L, because we will not taking the base area now, because we have to find the total surface area of outer boundary, means this is curved surface. Okay, we know that the curved surface area is this for one cone. Okay, here we have two cones, the down one and the upper one. So we are taking the total curved surface area. So it is 2, 3.14, and R is 7 and L is 50. Yes, Zara, calculate this. What is the answer for this? Yes, Zara, are you calculating?
659.4.
Means 660. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Then we will round off and take it 660. Okay, this is the total surface area for first part. Okay. Now the second part is the volume of the solid. The volume of the solid. Okay, for finding the volume of the solid, what we'll do? We have to do here volume. V is equal to 1 over, it is the formula of one cone. Okay, this is the formula of one cone, 1 over 3 pi r square, but we have two cones up and down, so we will take 2 times of this formula for volume. So it is 2 over 3, 3.14, and r is 7 square, and height is 13.26. Now calculate this. What is the answer for this?
We have to divide it by 2 or 3.
We have to multiply all numerators and at the end divide by 3. Okay, solve with me. That is 7 square is 49. 49 multiply 3.14 and multiply 2 and multiply 13.26. Okay, all multiplication done. Now divide it by 3. So the answer, yes,
1360.
60.12. So this is the uh, volume of these two cones. Okay, so it is in cubic centimeter because it is a volume. Okay, now this question is last question of this exercise. A cone has the circular base of the radius. Now we will make the cone. A cone has the circular base of the radius. Now radius is given, means from point to outer boundary is 13 point this. This is R is given. Okay, now surface area of the cone is given. Total surface area of the cone is given. Total surface area of the cone is given, that is 1240 meter square. Okay. So total surface area formula is pi r l plus pi r square. So we are taking pi as a common, and r is 13.5 and L is, L we have to find, L we have to find. Okay. And this one is 3.14, R is 13.5. Okay. So I am putting all these values here. So I'm also putting the pi value, that is 3.14. Now look at here. We have 3.14 multiply with 13.5. Okay. Then what is the answer for this? 3.14 multiply 13.5. Its answer is 42.39, and then L, and then 13. This is the square because it is 13 square. So 13.5 square is this, and then multiply 3.14. We got it is 570,265. Okay. Now total surface area on this side is given, that is 1240. So we will shift this 1240 minus 572.265 is equal to 442.39 L. Yes. Now subtract 12.40 minus 572.26. This is 667.74. Then divided by 42.39. Now in next step we will divide it by this.
15.752.
You divided
Yes.
15 point.
15.752.
Okay. Okay, 75. So we will write 75. That is L. Okay, now we found L here because L was missing. Now we have to find the volume. So volume formula is V is equal to 1 over 3 pi r square L. Yes.
Teacher, is it going to be base area multiplied by height?
Oh, yes, it's a base area multiplied by height. It's not L, it is H. It's mean we have to find height also. So it's mean we found this H. Sorry, we found this L. L is 15.75, but H is still missing. So H, by using Pythagoras theorem, we will find. Use theorem for finding h. So 13.5 square plus h square is equal to 15.75 square. Then it is 15.75 square minus 13.5 square. Then take square root of this. So what is the answer for this? I am getting, after taking square root, I am getting 8.9 something. Can you check? 8.093. Is it? Because we have to take square root at the end. Yes, Zara. You're getting the same? Hello?
I'm getting 8.093.
Okay, then it's mean it is correct. Okay, now H value is 8.093. Okay, now take square of 13.5. 13.5 square. Okay, then multiply 3.14. Then multiply 8.093. Then divide by whole answer, divide by 3. So we are getting volume is 1544. I'm rounding off. Okay, 44.
Yes.
So it is 44.
तो क्या चलेगा?
Okay.